Model, 2012 Isuzu Trucks Forward N62.150 automatic 26 km extremely low mileage recovery truck plant lorry very nice starstruck. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 26,920. Engine, 2,999 cc for J123JCT. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. It drives like a brand new and the first person to come and see will definitely buy it. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well